So guys, today in this video, we're gonna discuss the brief idea about the static electricity. So what is the static electricity and what are the cause of static electricity? With examples, we are going to discuss in this video in a detailed manner. So let's start the video without wasting much time. The static electricity is the electricity which occurs at rest. That means the electricity at rest is known as the static electricity. This means electricity in a state of equilibrium where the charges are not moving. This is the simple definition of the static electricity. So typically the cause of static electricity is due to the friction, contact or separation. Okay, so these are the main cause behind the static electricity. So the best examples of static electricity that dust accumulation on the electronics devices, that means that is due to the static electricity. And another main example of static electricity that hair are standing up after robbing a balloon. This is the main and best example of static electricity. So this is the basic information about the static electricity.